My name is James Kapralos, an attorney at Parker Waichman. As an attorney who litigates nursing home abuse cases and neglect cases, I find a lot of times problems occur because of lack of staffing. How, as a family member, do you determine or could you tell if there is a staffing problem? I'm going to go over some of the things to look for when determining whether or not the staff is proper. One simple way to determine whether or not there is sufficient staffing is to walk around the units and see if you can find nursing staff or CNA staff. If it seems that you're having trouble finding anyone to help you, or if there's no one around, that is a strong indication that the nursing home is understaffed. Also, when you finally do find somebody, when speaking with them or watching them, do they seem like they're rushed? Do they seem like they're moving around a lot? Are they able to spend time with you to help you? When you do ask a question, or when you do have a concern, or when you do have a need, are they able to respond in a timely fashion? Once you find them and they tell you they're going to help you, does it take a long time for them to help you? Do they tell you to go back to your room? I'll be back. If it takes a long time for them to come to help you, it's a good indication that they are understaffed. Also, when the call bell is sounded, does the nursing staff respond quickly? Do they respond appropriately? If it takes a long time to respond to the call bell, which sounds when the resident needs something, that is an indication of understaffing. Many times, they will hear the call bell, arrive immediately, and say, "I will be right back," and then don't come back for a long period of time. That's another indication of understaffing. Also, understaffing can be identified when nursing home residents are all gathered up by the nurses station. The reason why nursing homes do this is that so that one person can watch a whole bunch of residents at one time. Placing them at the nurses station is not the most comfortable thing for the residents, but it is a convenience for the nursing home because a nurse can sit at the nurses station, do work, do paperwork, and watch all the residents. Significantly, this is not a proper way to watch the residents because the nurse at the nurse's station is usually doing paperwork and not really paying attention to the resident. So this is another sign of insufficient staffing. There are many other ways to identify if a nursing home is understaffed. I've just described a few of them. If you'd like to speak more about this, pick up the phone and give me a call. I'm James Kapralos, an attorney at Parker Waichman.